How to set a price alert on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set a price alert on Binance, here is how you can do it. Step 1 would be launching your Binance app and logging into your account. Once you have done so, navigate to the market section. It is usually available on the bottom navigation bar. Once that is done, search for a trading pair. It could be via the search bar to find the trading pair that you want to set an alert for, example BNB and USDT. Once that is done, you will see an alert icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Select an alert type, which could be price rises above or price drops below. Once that is done, you can even customize the alert. Enter the specific price at that what you want to receive the alert. Select the alert frequency, that is notify once or multiple times. After that, you can tap on create alert to confirm. A message will confirm that the alert has been successfully created. You can even add more alerts by tapping on the add alert button at the bottom of the screen and repeat the process. When the conditions are met, you'll receive a notification on your device. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.